Please subscribe.
Review. Wearing strong sheet metal and bearing the Lexus identification, the UX is the organization's littlest and most reasonable SUV. Regardless of its polarizing structure, the subcompact extravagant Suda is convincingly upscale within and has snazzier standard highlights than adversaries, for example, the Audi Q3, the BMW X1, and the Mercedes-Benz GLA class. Motors, ride, and handling. The Lexus UX is accessible with either a gas-fueled or crossover powertrain that both pair with the ceaselessly factor-programmed transmission, the CVT. Notwithstanding, just the half-and-half UX200H offers all-wheel drive, the customary UX200 is front drive as it were. The last uses a 169-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-chamber motor. The form we tried required a protracted 8.6 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and the motor sounded grungy at high revs. While the crossover rendition we tried makes 181 torque, it had similarly unremarkable increasing speed. Fortunately, both had incredible controlling feel and calm refinement that are charming enough to help compensate for their absence of snappiness. AF Sport Bundle brings execution-situated overhauls, for example, a game-tuned suspension, 18-inch wheels on run-punctured tires, and selective inside and outside arrangements. Inside and technology. Inside, the Lexus UX has insignificant load space, however it's as yet a top-notch involvement and a decent worth. It additionally brags of bundle standard highlights that incorporates double-zone atmosphere control front seats, and a stacked infotainment framework with Apple CarPlay capacity and a 4G LTE versatile hotspot. The little Lexus can be improved with various choices that incorporate a bigger 10.3-inch focus screen with brute, head-up presentation, warm directing wheel, remote charging, and the sky is the limit from there. Each UX likewise has standard driver help advancements, for example, versatile journey control, robotized crisis braking, programmed high-shaft headlights, and path-keeping help.